Hi everyone. I've spent time using both the Apple iPhone 16, released in September 2024, and the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, out since February 2025. In this video, I'll share what makes each phone special and how they are different. Both have great features, but in different ways. If you want to check the latest prices, I've added Amazon links in the description below. Let's find out which phone might be best for you. Having used both the iPhone 16 and Xiaomi 15 Ultra, I noticed the iPhone feels much lighter and slimmer in hand, measuring 147.6 by 71.6 by 7.8 millimeters and weighing 170 grams. It has smooth glass front and back with a sturdy aluminum frame, giving it a sleek and premium feel. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is bigger and heavier at 161.3 by 75.3 by 9.4 millimeters and around 226 grams, with a choice of glass or leather-like back and a tougher, fibrous frame. While the Xiaomi feels solid and durable, the iPhone's lighter and thinner design makes it easier to hold and carry daily. The Apple iPhone 16 features a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with a 60Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and approximately 460 ppi pixel density. In contrast, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra offers a larger 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED screen with a smoother 120Hz refresh rate and advanced 120Hz PWM dimming. It supports HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and HDR Vivid, delivering a peak brightness of 3200 nits and a sharper 1440 by 3200 resolution, 522 ppi. Additionally, Xiaomi includes Shield Glass 2.0 for enhanced durability, making its display more vibrant and versatile. The Apple iPhone 16, running iOS 18, is powered by the Apple A18 chip built on a 3nm process with a hexa-core CPU, 2x4.04 GHz plus 4x2.42 GHz, and a 5-core Apple GPU, delivering optimized performance and efficiency tailored for the iOS ecosystem. In contrast, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra operates on Android 15 with HyperOS 2, featuring the Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm, with an octa-core CPU, 2x4.32 GHz plus 6x3.53 GHz, and Adreno 830 GPU, offering robust multitasking and graphics capabilities. While the iPhone emphasizes seamless integration and smooth user experience, Xiaomi provides greater customization and longer major Android upgrade support. The Apple iPhone 16 offers 3 storage options: 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB NVMe flash, paired with 8GB. In contrast, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra features UFS 4.1 storage without a card slot, available in 256GB with 12GB RAM, or larger capacities of 512GB and 1TB accompanied by 16GB RAM. Xiaomi's higher RAM and storage options cater to power users, while the iPhone 16 provides a balanced range suitable for typical users, emphasizing efficient NVMe flash storage. The Apple iPhone 16 features a dual-camera system with a 48-megapixel wide sensor, offering sensor shift OIS and quad-pixel PDAF, paired with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. In contrast, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra boasts a more advanced quad-camera setup, including a 50-megapixel wide sensor with PDAF and OIS, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3 zoom, a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto with 4.3 zoom and OIS, plus a 50-megapixel ultra-wide and TOF 3D depth sensor. Xiaomi's system also benefits from Leica optics and supports 8K video recording, providing greater versatility and higher resolution capabilities. The Apple iPhone 16 features a 12-megapixel wide front camera with HDR support and can record 4K video at 30 or 60 FPS, delivering high-quality selfies with smooth video capabilities. In contrast, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra offers a higher resolution 32-megapixel wide front camera, also supporting HDR and panorama modes, which provides more detail and creative options. It matches the iPhone's 4K video recording at 30-60 FPS, but adds 1080p video at the same frame rates, along with gyro EIS for enhanced video stabilization, making it more versatile for selfie videos. The Apple iPhone 16 features a non-removable 4300 mAh Li-ion battery with approximately 30-watt wired fast charging and supports MagSafe and Qi 2 wireless charging. In contrast, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra offers a larger battery capacity with a 5440 10mAh global variant and a 6000mAh version exclusive to China. It supports significantly faster 90-watt wired charging via PD 3.0 and QC3+, along with 80 watts wireless charging and 10 watts reverse wireless charging. Overall, Xiaomi provides superior battery capacity and faster charging options compared to the iPhone 16. After using both the Apple iPhone 16 and Xiaomi 15 Ultra, I can say each has its own strengths. The iPhone 16 offers a smooth user experience, excellent software support, and a great camera system. On the other hand, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra impresses with its powerful hardware, versatile camera features, and competitive pricing. Ultimately, the best choice depends on what matters most to you. Check the Amazon links in the description for the latest prices and decide based on your personal needs.